Hi Daylings, it's me Day, another video. 3 AM pa lang guys at kakagising ko lang at ngayon pupunta kami sa may Impanta. Kaya let's go!
Tinapon na yung ano naman nila tinanong?
Dito na kami, guys.
Ayan pala.
Opo, uli.
Okay, ayusin.
Wind is blowing through our hair, the lights are shining everywhere. From up above and down below, we fall into the afterglow. So now, this is the perfect night, tonight. It's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky. Now we're together. Come on, let's light up the sky. Just you and I. Let's light up the sky.
So, hi Daylings, pauwi na kami neto. Tsaka, yung mga video pala sa beach, ayun yung mga last vid na na-save namin. Gawa nang na-delete yung mga unang videong magaganda. Na-delete talaga siya, napindot ni Kuya Regent. Pero, okay lang yun kasi meron namang natira pa naman, 'di ba? At eto, pagod na ako at wala na talagang maayos na video dito kasi nakatulog din ako sa biyahe. At eto na lang yung outro ko kasi hindi rin ako nakapag-video ng outro pag uwi. Kaya guys, don't give up on the things you love. Remember, you're doing better than you think. Bye-bye! See you on my next video. Thanks for watching!